Learn by reading books as the main source of knowledge in this time.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends where you are now. So, turn back on our session, which is called vocabulary. As you listen on Strong Star channel, vocabulary, most of the time, you must know you're going to hear the vocabulary of English with its meaning in Kinyarwanda or another rules of grammar about English. So let's start by this vocabulary with its meaning in Kinyarwanda. So I would like to tell you that we are appreciate to give you some lesson on this Strong Star channel. Let's start by first vocabulary. But before we start, we are going to talk about the vocabulary related to the class and their meaning in Kinyarwanda. First one is a pen. A pen in Kinyarwanda is ikaramu. 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 Second one, a notebook. A notebook in Kinyarwanda is ikayi. 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 Third one, a book. A book in Kinyarwanda is igitabo. 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 Fourth one, a lesson. Lesson or lecture. Lecture in Kinyarwanda is isomo. 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 Fifth one, a desk. A desk in Kinyarwanda is intebe. 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 Sixth one, a bag. A bag. Igikapu. 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 Seven one, a table. A table. Ameza. 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 Eight, a chalk. A chalk. A chalk. Ingwa. Ingwa. Nine, a book. A board. A board. Ikibaho. 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 A student in Kinyarwanda is umunyeshuri. A student. Umunyeshuri. 11 a teacher. A teacher in Kinyarwanda is umwarimu. 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 12 a leader. A leader. Umuyobozi. A leader in Kinyarwanda is umuyobozi. So continue to verbs. Verbs. 13, to study. To study in Kinyarwanda is kwiga. To write in Kinyarwanda is kwandika, kwandika, kwandika. 15. To read in Kinyarwanda is gusoma, gusoma. 16. To listen, kumva, kumva, kumva. So thank you. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy this. A pen, ikaramu, a notebook, ikayi, a book, igitabo, a lesson, isomo, a desk, intebe, a bag, igikapu, table, ameza, chalk, ingwa, a board, ikibaho, a student, umunyeshuri, a teacher, umwarimu, a leader, umuyobozi. To study, kwiga, to write, kwandika, to read, gusoma, to listen, kumva.
Thank you. Subscribe, 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 please.
I've been going through some things, nigga, and nobody understands. Just went and met some fake friends. The niggas only show up when you make it rain, and when the trouble comes, they're quick to run away. I see them, they run. This shit comes straight out of no stress music, nigga. Fake friends, fake friends. Babona kusafita keshi dabo byazabakara nigga way.
The Truck Slayer.
Uwo nabonye nshingura mama sinza mubone n'abazinama ibuka ubwo nari kwa muganga usoza umwaka w'iki cyaka koko nakumenye faster nk'ibyapa biriho uduhanga iyi sinanyiturano nimwe gira usibye kuguha ikibanza haters njye bahashara bangira muremure nk'umunara